Experiencing frequent Wi-Fi disconnects on your Xumo box? You're not alone. These issues often stem from two main culprits: congested router channels and DHCP problems. Let's break down how these cause disconnects. First, Wi-Fi operates on channels, and the Xumo box typically uses the 2.4 GHz band, which can be crowded, leading to interference and dropped connections. Think of it like a busy highway. Too many cars, devices cause traffic jams, disconnects. Second, DHCP is how your router assigns IP addresses. If the Xumo box's assigned IP address expires or conflicts with another device, you'll lose connection. In short, your Xumo box disconnects because it is fighting with other devices. To resolve channel congestion, use a Wi-Fi Analyzer app on your smartphone to identify the least crowded channel on the 2.4 GHz band. Channels 1, 6, and 11 are usually best. Then, access your router's settings through a web browser by typing your router's IP address and manually set your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network to that channel. Next, address DHCP issues. You can either renew the IP address on your Xumo box in Network Settings, or assign a static IP address to the Xumo box in your router's settings. This ensures it always gets the same IP and avoids conflicts. By optimizing these two settings, you can significantly improve your Xumo box's Wi-Fi stability.